So, figured I'd take a video right quick of why pre-cleaners are so nice. I've got a Donaldson top spin pre-cleaner on my backhoe here, and as you can see, we got a little bit of snow. Hopefully you can hear the backhoe is just barely off idle at the moment. But the self-ejecting pre-cleaners, like the top spin, will eject material out of it, so you don't have like a bowl that you have to empty out or nothing. And from the cab you can actually see it shooting out the snow, and so I figured I'd just show that right quick. Maybe try and get from the other side, you might be able to see a little better. And, you know, granted, obviously you wouldn't normally be getting, well, I don't know, you might be getting that much snow in there, but, you know, normally you're not fucking packing snow up in there or nothing like that, but it is cool, because I think anyways, to see it actually working, because when it's just dust or whatever, you don't really see it actually coming out of there. And then the higher the engine revs and or the more load that it's under, the faster that little turbine inside of there will spin and work more effectively. But yeah, I just thought that was kind of cool.